What a great day to talk about pharma! This is Clyde and I'll be discussing the difference between empirical and rational therapy, only here in Vet Pharma 311. Let's go! Empirical therapy is the application of drugs not derived from the scientific method but on mere experience gained by the clinician. It is occasionally used when the knowledge of either nature of disease or action of drug is not known but the therapy has been found effective. For example, the use of sodium chloride in pyroplasmosis and chloral hydrate in acetonemia in cattle. On the other hand, rational therapy is the application of drugs based on the scientific knowledge of pharmacology of the drug and on the pathology of the disease. In other words, it is a treatment based on principles when the nature of disease as well as the action of drug is well understood. An example is the use of atropine in organophosphorus insecticides poisoning and sodium bicarbonate in hyperacidity of the stomach. That's all for now. I hope you learned something in this video. Pharmacia!